In this video, let's see design of the flange with the dimension are as follows. Now we are going to design the driver flange with take a new file, part file, select OK, select front plane, select sketch, select front plane, take a line command. From origin point, draw an horizontal line of length of the hub. Length of the hub is 58.4. Enter 58.4. Enter 58.4. Angle minus 180. Next, draw one vertical line. Draw one vertical line of height d1. d1 is 64. That is half of 64 is 64 divided by 2. That is 32 mm. Next, vertical line of 58.4 minus 20.2. L minus TF. L minus TF. 58.4 minus 20.2. Angle 0. Right click. Again from origin point, draw one vertical line of height d3. Total diameter is 128. Make it as 128 divided by 2. Angle 90. Next, draw one horizontal line of TF. TF is 20.2. Make it as 20.2. 180 degrees. Enter. Next, again draw one horizontal line of TP. TP is 8 mm. Enter 8 mm. And again angle 180 degrees. Draw one vertical line of T3. T3 is 3.2 mm. 3.2 mm minus 90 degrees. End the command. Right click. End the command. Draw one reference line from the origin point. Vertical line of diameter, bolt diameter D2 is 96. So 96 divided by 2, that is 48. Horizontal line up to this dotted line. Okay, here you will find the reference dotted line. Click here, draw vertical. Okay, upward of here f is 24, exactly half of the f, that is 24 divided by 2, and angle is 90. Join this line to this 3.2 mm line. Okay, now go for extend to next. Click this line, extend up to here. Take a trim command, trim this line and this line. Select Control I, isometric view. Go for revolve command. Click on the sketch. Accept. Select this bottom line. Revolve 360 degrees. Now select this face, left face. Take circle. select left face, Control L. From this origin point, draw a circle of diameter. Bolt diameter is 96. Diameter of the bolt circle is 96. That is D2. Enter 96. Escape. Again, repeat the circle command. From this, exactly on this point, we can see here exactly on this point, draw one circle of dB, that is 12 mm. Enter 12. Same, repeat 4 circles because number of bolts is 4. Exactly place 90 degrees apart. Okay, right click. Now escape. Select this circle of 96 mm. This is we have taken for reference purpose, so delete this line. Again, select circle from origin point, draw one circle of 32 mm, diameter of the hub. Okay, sorry, diameter of the shaft, that is 32. Enter 32. Now select rectangle, draw one rectangle of width 10, height 4, angle 0. Here we can see width 10, height is 8, half of the height is 4 mm, so we have taken as 4, and length is 10, 10 and 4. Select move command, select the rectangle exactly in the middle of the top line, pick and exactly bottom. Okay, select this bottom line on the center point, place it on the 32 mm diameter circle. Now go for extend to next. Extend this line up to this circle. Select trim, trim this line. Now select isometric view, cut out, select the sketch, select all the 5 sketches, accept, make it through all, make it through all, move the direction towards the left side and click. Okay, this completes the driven flange. File, save, driven flange. Select OK. Here also give the file name as driven flange. Select OK. Save. Now select again new file, part file. Select OK. Now let us design the same part as a driver shaft. Select line command. Select front plane from origin point. Now I will take towards the left. Length is 58.4, angle minus 180. Select fit command. height of the hub, that is 64 divided by 2, that is 32 mm. Horizontal line L divided by TF, that is 58.4 minus 20.2, 58.4 minus 20.2. Right click, end the line command. Again from this origin point, draw one vertical line of length 128 divided by 2, that is 64 mm. One horizontal line of 20.2, TF is 20.2, 180 degrees. Again draw one horizontal line of TP, that is 8 mm. Enter 8 mm. Drop down vertical line of T3, that is 3.2 mm. 3.2. Right click. Now from this origin point baseline, draw a reference line of 96 divided by 2, that is diameter of the whole circle, 96 divided by 2. Horizontal line up to this dotted line, towards upward. Vertical line, take it as 24 divided by 2, half of the 24, that is F, and join to this line. Now select extend to next, select the vertical line. Now go for trim command, trim this line. Now select isometric view, select revolve, select the sketch, accept, select the baseline, select OK. Select right view, just to see one more time. Draw this 96 mm circle, followed by 12 mm, enter 12. Only one small changes I will explain you. Delete this circle as usual. From origin point, draw one circle of 32 mm. Till here the procedure remains the same. Here width, take it as 4 mm, height as 10 mm, angle 0. Okay. Now select this rectangle, then move command, select and place it here. Now extend to next, extend this line, trim, trim this extra portion. Now select isometric view, extrude, cut, select all the 5 sketches, accept, select through all towards the left side. So this completes the driven flange. Driver flange. save.